Hi, hello, namaste viewers. Welcome to Property Outlet YouTube channel. We are dealing with apartments, villas and open plots that too in pre-launch, under construction and ready to move. Let us see our channel analytics. Most of the views from unsubscribed users. Your like and subscription can give us a more motivation to do videos. So please do like, share and subscribe to Property Outlet and don't forget to press the bell icon. Name Mohan is a property advisor. And let us enter into our today's content. As a part of the high-rise apartment projects in Kokapet, the first project which I am going to tell is a Sanali group of companies, the Edge Apartments. The elevation of the project will look like this only, and the project is in a pre-launch right now. This project contained 35 floors, and it also attached with the commercial space, which is facing with the ORR. The main advantage of this project is its location. It's a very near to the Kokapet Surge area and the Kokapeta nursing area, and it is very beside to the NCC Urban which is a gated community. Many and most of the IT companies and IT zones are located very near to this area, like Financial District, Gachibowli, and High-Tech City. It's very near to this area. Now let us see the layout of the project, and it is having the three blocks, and one commercial office space also is available at it, and that too the road facing. This office commercial place is an added advantage to the particular Sanali project because there is a chance to having the supermarkets or any kind of malls, multiplex or office spaces, whatever it may be. The typical floor plans of the block A, block B, block C are looking like this only, and some deviations in square feet also there, and you can check it there. Overall, 16 flats for a floor is coming there, starting from 2 BHK 1350 SFT2 till 2400 SFT sizes available here. You can check floor plans also here, different kinds of SFTs. Let me show here. Yeah. I found that lot of people are bothering about their car parking spaces, and in this particular project, specific allocation of the car parking will be given at the time of selecting your flat, and those look like this only, and you can check it the gap between the parking spaces. Let us see the project location in the maps, and we'll identify what makes this project to play as a key role in this area. This is the actual location of the project, Sanali the Edge, and it is the backside of the NCC Urban one, which is a gated community project. It is very near and facing to the ORR. There are many other gated communities surrounded by this project, and we will look on to them and we'll try to get a clear picture. First of all, this is the riverfront pre-launch gated community by IRA Reality, and it is in pre-launch right now and having a price of 5,000 full payment. And next it is Rivera gated community is a EIPL group of companies gated community. In Rivera also we had a inventory in the second, third, fourth and fifth floors, and B block also we had a inventory in the second floor, which is a park facing. And after that River Edge Villas, in those community also we had an inventory which is having a 10 crores value. And next outside of the river we had a many project like Rajapushpa Atria, Whistling Woods, Malati Nivas, and in Whistling Woods also we had inventory 1575 SFT. And Rockwell International School also very near, and it is containing Legend Villas, Legend Chims, and Jain's Four Seasons, which is a luxury villas having a price of 8 crores onwards, and Fortune Sky Villas project, and EAPL projects. Another project is there. Its name is Apila. In Apila, range from 1.68 crores onwards. Available flats are 2000 above square feet. That's why the price range 1.6 crore onwards. In Kandipudi also, North Star Villas and some other Lakeview Villas also inventory is available. 200 square yards, 300 square yards. Let me move on to right side. In right side we had premium gated communities like Rajapushpa Atria, Rajapushpa Regalian, Paulami 90, and gated community villa project Paulami Aristos and Lumini Park. Yeah, it is a Paulami Aristos. If you go to this route, and we had a My Home project which is an under construction Taraksha. And behind it we had a Fortune Builders project, and these roads are widen actually. In this particular area we had some other projects like Jashwant Luxor, Serenity Park, and Frontline 7, and we are seeing Serenity Park apartments right now. Ready to move apartments available in this particular gated community. This is the connecting road and which connects to ORR, and some people call it as a pipeline road also. If you move somewhat right, we came to see some projects like Vetex Panacha, which is a facing of ORR, and the builder is Vetex. If we cross that ORR, we will find that the Jayberry Temple Tree Villa project, Lisa Grove Villa project. The cost around 8 to 15 crores there, and the Jayberry Summit, the flatting Lanza Metania and Lanza Meterna, two gated community projects, and its backside also some projects are running. I will give update on tomorrow, and its project's name is Sunshine, and it's by Sunshine Developers. And right side of this project we had a My Home Avatar. It's next to ORR. When we see into the Nanakram Guda and Financial District, we had some other gated communities like Vajra Jasmine County, Jayberry Orange County, and Kapil Towers, Mantri Celestia, and in ISP Road we had a My Home Vihanga, and these are the developments in these areas. Yeah, this is the My Home Avatar, which is adjacent to ORR. It's a premium project which is having multiple blocks and Hallmark Vicinea. It is also a ready to move project. Some interior works are going on there. And in this road we had some other project like Ashok Liviana, not this side, it's upside. Yeah, in Ashok Liviana also we had one flat to sale. Yeah, that's it for this location advantages. We will look into some other project. Its name is Riverfront, which is IRA Realty Company's project. As I seen you in the map, the layout of the project will look like this. After its layout look, we will see its outside elevation of the project. IRA Realty and EAPL companies, once upon a time, they work together. After some deviations, they are separated. After separation, also in marketing, they are working together sometimes. Both of the company quality standards are very good. In this project, we had a different kind of towers. Its names called A, B, C, D, E, like this. By seeing its browser, we will came to know that different kinds of flats and their location will give in the red mark in the total layout, so that the person will understand where the flat actually located, and it will help him a lot to select the right flat. For IRA Reality, there is a lot of projects near to Kollur, IRA Aspiration and IRA Reality, and another project in Kollur, and the name itself the project is IRA Kollur. It's quite different. I will run this brochure is a fast forward manner because a lot of pages are there. If you want anyone this brochure and ping me in the WhatsApp or call me. I can explain, or I will send these brochures and price information accordingly. In the meanwhile, in the middle of the video, I will disclose all these prices. Each and every tower in this gated community is a unique nature. I think tower D will be the final tower. In this project, they are providing with the huge clubhouse with 4 floors, I think. After this, we will look into the specification of the project. It's a riverfront and high-rise residential overall facing at Narsingi Kokapet. It's a 9-acre project, 283 4 BHK available, 25 floors, east, west, north facing, and 1300 to 4000. And the price is 4800 per SFT, and the loan options are different. Up to 6000 per SFT is available. Actually, prices are raised. You have to check with the updated prices. Maybe it is 200 300 more than the actual. And these are the amenities they are providing in the clubhouse and outdoor games and the gymnasium, party hall, conference halls, and the children play area, amphitheater, skating ring, seating, cricket practice net, lawn, etc. Next project is at very near to the Gachibowli. It is in Gopanpalli, 6.4 acres, 8 blocks, G+9, 2 and 3 BHK, 1150 SFT to 1890 SFT, 35,000 SFT clubhouse, 6,500 rupees per SFT is running price, and clubhouse amenities all given, multipurpose hall, dining, and elevation of the project will be like this. In our channel ID number 33, I explained about this project. You can check it there. And next, some resale flats are available in Rajpushpa area. First of all, 2575 SFT east facing flat available, and the price also 6500 to 7000 per SFT. After this, and Whistling Woods, it's a gated community apartment project, 1575 SFT is available for sale in the second floor, and this is the floor plan. After this, I specified many times Ashoka Liviano. In Ashoka Liviano, we had a 2000 above SFT is available. It's a price around 1.75 CR. After this Ashoka Liviano, we had a ready to move flats in Kokapet, that is the Serenity Park, which elevation look like this. In Serenity Park, the price is 6500 per SFT, and that is negotiable, and the booking amount is 5 lakh. And this is the payment schedule and some other information regarding price. And 2 blocks available, 160 flats, 80 flats in each block, 1575 SFT and 1770 SFT available. Jashwant Luxury is another gated community which is under construction, and it is also price range above 6000 per SFT, and I will show the location in the map. It is also near to the Serenity Park, and this road also connected to the ORR service road. Yeah, this is the project Jashwant Luxury. If you go and move to the left, we will find Serenity Park here. This is the green mark, quality Serenity Park, and this is all about this project. After this, I will show you the Frontline 7 project, which is at Shankarapalli Highway from the Gandipet road. I already explained about this project in ID number 48 in our channel. You can check it there, and I will show you in the maps. Yeah, from Serenity Park in Pipeline Road, we can reach this project. I don't suggest in this route because the road is not that good. I will suggest from the Gandipeta to Shankarpalli Highway. From the Rockwell International School, you can take right. In this route, Shankarpalli Highway, you can reach this project. Yeah. If you go to this and the right side, we will find this project, Frontline 7. After this, we will look into the Gachibowli project near AIG Hospital, Sharat City Mall. It is the pre-launch gated community apartments, 4 acres, high range, 22 floors. It is having price of 5,200. First of all, we need to pay 3,000 before approvals. After approvals, we have to pay 2,200. And I made a video on it, ID number 51. You can check it there. And after that, you call me for the brochure and price details. And every day I'm saying about this project, Aurobindo Tattva Mega Township. The prices are varying day to day. Today the price is 1 crore 9 lakhs. From tomorrow onwards the price is 1 crore 14 lakhs. In 1 week the price will be 1 crore 19 lakhs. After every sale of 55 villas, the price will be increased to 5 lakhs. Book your site visit today and get the best price. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe to Property Outlet, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Name me Mohan is a property advisor signing off. Bye bye.